This is a unique look, I guess. I'm actually doing something I haven't done in a very long time. I was generously offered to try out a awesome smelling brand. I say that because when this was picked up, you could literally smell deliciousness already without even opening the box. Hey discount dolls, welcome back to the Discount Vegan. I'm Lizzie, in case you are new here, and this is where I share awesome recipes that are super cheap and affordable. Not cheap as in cheap ingredients, just cheap and easy to make. I also share a lot of gardening because I strongly believe that when you garden and grow your own produce, you take back a little bit of your own health, and that's why I show you how to do it in a very tight spaces. I also love to show you different products that I think are pretty awesome, and sometimes, like today, I get offered an opportunity to share something new with you that I haven't tried before. So that's why I have this. Now, this is a pretty awesome little handmade candle company. I was offered a few samples from this amazing company called Joyful Home, and I thought it was so sweet. So I definitely wanted to try it out because I absolutely love candles. I love wax melts, and this company is actually completely soy and very vegan friendly. So the first thing I got is a little note card, and those look yummy, gotta say. Oh my god, that is so cute. Okay, I've never seen a note card like this, but it has the recipe on the back. Definitely a recipe I might consider veganizing. So I got a little note, very sweet, and she's been so sweet to actually offer you guys a discount code. So that's the discount code. This is the website, and all of it will be down in the description box below. Okay, so let's check out what we got. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. I seriously love candles, and I'm going to go with the biggest thing first, of course. This is the Bubble Gum 100% soy candle, hand poured in Canada. That is a big jar. Gotta smell it. Oh my god. That's like bubble gum, but with a slight hint of vanilla, which is absolutely fantastic smelling. Oh, the more I smell it, the more I smell the vanilla. Still though, I love when things smell delicious. Oh my God. And then we have 2 little candles. Oh, cute. Okay. I was like, what's on the bottom? But it's a little caution. So we have 2 little candles. There we go. And I think these are like little maybe sampler candles, because you can see the difference between the 2. And these 2 are in blueberry cheesecake and dark roast coffee. If anyone knows me well enough, you'll know coffee is like my addictive. I love coffee. So let's check these out. Oh, I love the smell of fruit. I cannot stop smelling candles. Oh my God. These smell so good. This one is very fruity smelling. I love this kind of fruity smell when I'm like working. It just feels very invigorating and just, it makes me focus. So I love that. And then the dark roast coffee. Oh my God. This almost reminds me of like a tiramisu. You know how it has the espresso in it? Yeah, that's what this reminds me of. Oh, that smells so good too. Oh my God. Everything smells so fantastic. And yet there's more. Oh my, how cute is this? You can never have enough matches, especially when you're obsessed with candles. That is a sweet touch. I love it when people think about the whole picture. This, that's what I thought. Awesome. These are wax melts, so not just candles, but wax melts too. I just started getting into my, there we go, into wax melts probably about last Christmas. I thought it was a neat idea. Oh my goodness. This is Muskoka S'mores. Now, I don't know the difference between regular s'mores and Muskoka S'mores, but honestly, that just, it smells like dessert. It smells like I should take a chunk and eat it, like a chocolate bar. That smells delicious. And the last 2 things that I got looks like little samples of wax melts. Aw. They're little hearts. That's cute. So this pink wax melt is a black raspberry cobbler. These candles are going to make me so fat. They smell literally like the best desserts. And then this little guy, looks like he got smashied, is apple crumb pie. And that's actually one of my very top favorite pies, so yes. Oh my goodness. Smells so good. I honestly, I can't even. I love candles so much. So, thank you so much, Diana, for sending this to me. I thoroughly appreciate it. I can't wait to dive into these candles, like the actual desserts that they smell like. And if you enjoyed this video, if you're interested in checking out Joyful Home candles, definitely click the link down below. Hit up her shop. I definitely know I will be in the near future. And leave this video a big thumbs up, like the video if you enjoyed this little unboxing. If you are new here, click that subscribe button and then click that bell so that you are notified of when I come out with new videos. Otherwise, YouTube won't tell you. And I would really like you to keep up with the Discount Vegan. So let me know, what your favorite candle scent is down in the comments below. Mine is definitely citrus and dessert scents, but what's yours? That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate every single one of you, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. So I will bid you adieu. Mwah!